Alright guys, just got this from Lazada. It arrived today. It was in a box. Where's the box, Mano? Alright, so that's the box. So we just unboxed it now. And I already checked the instruction manual. Nasa yung instruction manual? Alright, so this is the instruction manual. I read it briefly, just to know how it, how to function it or how to use it. And it wasn't that thick of an instruction manual, so it was easy to understand. So I had it plugged in right now, and it has 3 level controls here. Level 1, 2, 3. That's the fan level. Level 3 fan. And then swing, you can turn it on and off. Right there, it's moving left to right. Or you can simply just turn it off so that it doesn't swing. And this is the control for the pump, the water pump. So this is an air cooler. So aside from it being an air cooler, can you simply use it, as an electric fan, and it works perfectly well as an electric fan. But of course, that's not the main function of this machine. Here at the back, right here, this is the water container. So you put water inside, you fill it up with water. Now there's an indicator in front to tell you the level of the water. So it starts from here, and as you put water inside, your goal is to fill it up with water, and you'll see that red, what do you call that? That red thing in there eventually end up in here. So that's to give you an idea that the container is already full of water, basically. Alright, so yeah, that's just about it. So once you fill it up with water, close it like this, and then you can turn the fan on as well as the water pump. These two switch. Because there's no water inside, so I'm not going to turn it off. Or I'm not going to turn it on, rather. Alright. Alright, that's just about, guys. So just want to take a video of this and document it. This is the first time that we actually bought an air cooler. It's my dad's AC has been broken for a couple of weeks now, all throughout the quarantine period. We did get an AC technician to fix it, but unfortunately he wasn't able to really fix it. It kept on breaking. But anyway, so hopefully this will do the job. So we're gonna bring this upstairs and then put some water in the water container and see how it goes. Alright. Patagal na lang mana ng saksakan. Tayo ka nga mana kung sino mas matangkad. Alright. Anyway, alright, that's just about it, guys.